Oceanic and lake sciences challenge the abilities of traditional software tools. Virtually everything of interest lies beneath the surface. This is a 3D world with complex issues that affect the life in these water bodies and all life on Earth. EVS and MVSs modular toolkits provide the technology to address a myriad of surface and subsurface issues. This animation shows the results of a tidal flow and transport model of Pictou Harbor, Nova Scotia. The model was created to show plume migration for a proposed new discharge outlet from a pulp and paper mill. The data was provided courtesy of Jim Herberick, ENSR. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Pacific Marine Environmental Laboratory and Russia conducted oceanographic research in the CHUKCHI Sea in early fall to collect the data represented in these animations. CTD casts to measure conductivity, temperature, and depth were used to determine temperature and salinity distributions in the various water masses. This data is used to determine ocean properties that may explain fish and mammal behavior. The data was provided courtesy of Nazila Marathi at NOAA. Saskatchewan Environment's hydroacoustic program collects dissolved oxygen, temperature, and lake trout size and population data in lakes to study how global warming can contribute to declining fish habitat volumes. This animation of data from September 2002 investigates lake trout's preference to avoid regions that exhibit high temperatures or low dissolved oxygen levels. To see both effects simultaneously, the trout are shown colored by temperature and scaled by their length. Volume rendering is used to represent those regions exhibiting low dissolved oxygen levels as transparent clouds of varying color and transparency. Red and magenta regions have the lowest DO levels. Note that only a few smaller fish travel to waters warmer than 13 degrees C, and the majority of trout avoid areas with dissolved oxygen levels below 5 parts per million. The data was provided courtesy of Saskatchewan Environment's Hydroacoustics program,